Okay, hello students, hope you are good. Today we are going to discuss few concepts related to JavaScript. Okay, last time we discussed about arithmetic, then relational operator and logical. Okay, when you talk about relational, then there are less than sign, greater than sign. Okay, less than symbol, less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to, right, equals to. So there are different type of operators. Now in case of logical, there are only three types of operator. First operator name, first and foremost, is AND operator. And sign, everyone knows which sign is required to write AND, logical AND in JavaScript. Let's type into chat. Yes, ampersand. This AND is called as what? This AND sign is called as ampersand operator. So double ampersand required. How many? 2 ampersand required. This is nothing but logical AND. Okay. Now logical OR. Logical OR means, is it possible to you to enter? Yes, Girija, absolutely right. Very good. Very good. It's a pipe sign. Okay, pipe symbol in case of OR operator. OR means either this or that. Okay, means there are two options, you can choose any one. So there is a OR operator. And now last is what? Last operator name is NOT, and sign, yes, exclamatory mark, NOT. This exclamatory mark denotes what? Not, logical NOT in JavaScript. Okay, this symbol is used. Yes, this sign is used to implement condition. It's a reversive type of operator. Okay, which is called as a logical NOT. When condition becomes true, it shows false. When condition becomes false, it shows true. Okay, reverse action, reversive type. Okay, it's totally different than and OR. Fine. Now let's move to the another concept. Is there any difficulty in relational logical operators? Otherwise we proceed further about comments in JavaScript. Okay, page number 47. Okay, fine. Yes, page number 47. There is a comments in JavaScript. Okay, see, comments are non-executable part, non-executable statements in program. So comments are used to provide information or explanation about your programming construct. Okay, statements added in comments are ignored by JavaScript. It supports two types of comments. One is single line and another one is a multi-line. See, what is the purpose of single line? The JavaScript ignores everything from forward slashes to the end of the line. Okay, so comments in JavaScript, which are used for developer reference, which are used for designer reference. Okay, which is not execute on browser. This is for just your reference. Fine. I'm going to add few statements. Doc type declaration. Now inside I'm going to add inside body script. Okay, language equals to JavaScript, fine, and then script close. So this is a script area and you all are going to enter in that, fine. Okay, I'm going to show you how to increment operator works, right? So here we go, var a is a variable, a is equal to, if I write a is equal to 99, I want 100, right? So if I write a plus plus, then what? A plus plus, then what? It displays exact number. Document dot write, fine, and inside I'm going to put a variable, fine. So this is the line of code. Okay, if I save this document, it will ask to save. Okay, let me save into that folder, directory 11 science, and inside it JS code, and this is a simple .html is extension because we are going to embed, we are going to add JavaScript into HTML. Okay, here we go, simple.html is ready. If I double click on that and execute or displays on particular browser, and that browser name is Windows Internet Explorer. Let me allow it by right clicking on, yes, displays directly to the user 100 number. Okay, fine. So in this way you can use increment concept. Okay, now how to comment. See, if I comment particular line, see, if I comment a plus plus, right? So this is what? Single line comment. If I use double slash, okay, then it is what? Single line comment. And a plus plus semicolon, this whole line is keep, right? It becomes keep. And now what will be the result? Can you tell me? Anybody can tell me? If but a plus plus line is keep, then what displays on output? Which number displays on output? Which number displays on browser screen? Please reply me. See, if I use double slash, see, what is the purpose of comment? It is for developer reference, right? If I use in any line which is keep by interpreter, which is keep by browser, right? ब्राउझर त्याला काय करणार आहे, स्किप करणार आहे आणि डायरेक्ट काय करणार आहे, जे बाकीचे दिलेलं इनपुट आहे ते फक्त प्रिंट करेल, राईट. मग या केसमध्ये आउटपुट काय डिस्प्ले होणार आहे? इफ आय स्किप ए प्लस प्लस, देन व्हॉट हॅपन, व्हॉट विल बी द आउटपुट? आता कोणतं दिसतं आउटपुट? मला 100 दिसतंय इन्स्टेड ऑफ 100. येस, एक्झॅक्टली गिरिजा, ॲब्सोल्युटली राईट, बिकॉज ए व्हेरिएबल्स होल्ड 99 व्हॅल्यू. ओके, देर इज नो एनी टाइप ऑफ डिक्रीमेंट. Right, absolutely right, very good. There is no increment. Okay, if I skip, see, if I skip this line and execute on browser, then display output that is a 99. Fine. If I again remove this comment and if I save this, now I am going to execute on browser, then displays again 100. So in this way you use particular comment. Okay, another way to write comments, see, comments in JavaScript. Hello everyone. This is simple JS program, right? JavaScript program. So this statement is keep, which is not execute on browser. Okay, fine. This is for what? Developer reference. This is for programmers reference. Now purpose, a variable is used to store number value, okay, or numeric value. Fine. If I remove this, see, if I remove this, then it will definitely shows error to the user. It will not execute. See, exclamatory mark is there. If I double click on that, then display. See how to rectify error. This is very important. Don't worry when you get error. Okay. Edit. Then go to press 7. Okay. Line number 7. Exactly this is blink होते cursor. Suppose मी सेमिकोलन रिमूव्ह केला आणि एक्झिक्यूट केलं तर काय दिसते बघा, चेंज होते बघा लगेच. लेट मी रिफ्रेश इट अँड इफ आय डबल क्लिक ऑन दॅट एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क देन डिस्प्लेस exact expected line number 7 character number 3. This is not an exact valid statement in JavaScript, right? There is no any kind of reserved word. If I remove the error, like if I use forward slashes for what? Comment in single line comment in JavaScript, then it will display its exact output by removing error, right? Okay. Now how to write, see, how to write multi-line command, /* space and */. Okay. Now tell me what displays exact to the user. Okay, मला आता सांगा, मी रिफ्रेश केलेलं नाही पेज, काय काय किती लाईन झाले बघा. A variable is used to store number value 1 where a is equal to 99, a plus plus semicolon. Okay, these 4 lines, these are skip in program. Only document.write a. Now what will be the output? Can you tell me? अजून मी रिफ्रेश केलेलं नाही, तुम्हाला विचारणार आहे, नंतर तुम्ही सांगू शकता मला. आपण डिटेलमध्ये स्टडी करतोय त्याचा. प्लीज तुम्हाला झालेला आहे टाईप, तो तुम्हाला डिटेल टाईप झालेले आहेत, तुमच्याकडून आन्सर एक्सपेक्ट करतोय मी, माझा आवाज सगळ्यांपर्यंत पोहोचतोय. प्लीज गिव्ह मी रिप्लाय. चुकला चालेल, मिस्टेक झाली चालेल, नो प्रॉब्लेम, ट्राय करा. प्लीज गिव्ह मी रिप्लाय. सी दिस इज अ मल्टी लाईन कमेंट. ओके, /*, number of lines, * first and /. Okay, लक्षात सगळ्यांना मल्टीलाईन कमेंट, हाऊ टू यूज मल्टीलाईन कमेंट. सी, ए मी अजून डिक्लेअर केलं नाही आणि मी डायरेक्टली यूज करतोय. ओके, ए मी डिक्लेअर केलं नाही आहे, वरती व्हॅर डिक्लेरेशनच नाही आहे, आणि डायरेक्ट मी प्रॉपरली त्याला यूज करतोय. कशामध्ये? विदिन आउटपुट स्टेटमेंट, document.write in bracket a. Only this statement work. Okay, ऑल पार्ट काय होईल, अदर पार्ट काय होईल, स्किप होईल. एक फक्त पार्ट एक्झिक्यूट होईल, तो कुठला? आउटपुट स्टेटमेंट. तिथे फक्त ए पास केलेलं आहे आपण, बट ए इज नॉट डिक्लेअर्ड. सो व्हॉट विल बी द आउटपुट? मी तुम्हाला हिंट दिलेली आहे आता. ओके, शो एक्झॅक्टली सांगतो तुम्हाला, अनडिफाईन्ड तुम्हाला शो होईल. अनडिफाईन्ड टाईप तुम्ही स्टडी केलेला आहे का? अनडिफाईन केलेलं आहे म्हटलं तर अनडिफाईन्ड शो करणार ना. बघा आता चेक करूया आपण आउटपुटला. रिफ्रेश, shows error to the user, a is undefined. See here, बघा एरर शो झाली तुम्हाला. a is what? Undefined. मी तुम्हाला म्हटलं ना अनडिफाईन्ड शो होईल, एररमध्येच तो दाखवतोय. जो ए घेतला युजरने, तुम्ही जो पास केलेला आहे व्हेरिएबल विच इज अनडिफाईन्ड, विच इज नॉट डिक्लेअर्ड. ओके, डिफाईन केलेलं नाही तुम्ही. लक्षात सगळ्यांच्या. एरर काय सांगितलं, एक्झॅक्ट तुम्हाला एरर सांगितलेली आहे. सो यू नीड टू डिफाईन इट अँड देन यू implement, then you use in program. Okay, so this is about simply called as comment. Now next interesting concept, let's move to the another commonly used built-in functions in JavaScript. These are very interesting. Okay, now let's move to the another part, another concept, page number 48, 3.16, commonly used built-in functions in JavaScript. Now first of all you have to know about function concept. Okay, later we discuss about it in detail, what in by user defined functions and what do you mean by built-in functions. But let me clear to you about built-in function means ready-made functions. Okay, ready-made. What is the use of built-in? What is the purpose of built-in? It's a ready-made functionality. We directly called it in our code. Okay, just write exact keyword and that's it. And user defined function is different. User defined function is you need to define it properly. You need to write proper code for it. Okay, you have to implement proper logic when you talk about user defined function. And when you talk about commonly used built-in function means which is already written in JavaScript library. Okay, which already exists in library, which already exists in JavaScript domain, JavaScript part. Okay, JavaScript language. So you just need to implement, you just need to use, okay, whenever you want. Now first function name is, see, first of all, function is used to perform repetitive task whenever required. See, when you want to require particular function is there a requirement, then you definitely use any type of built-in functions in your code. It is reusable code block. Okay, it's a code block that will be executed when it is called. This statement is very important. It is reusable code block that will be executed when it is called. कॉल्ड केल्याशिवाय काय होणार नाही, ते वर्क होणार नाही. म्हणजे लिटरली सांगायचं झालं तर बोलल्याशिवाय ते काय होणार नाही, येणार नाही. ओके, असं ते फंक्शनचं कन्सेप्ट आहे. यू हॅव टू कॉल्ड अँड देन इट वर्क्स. ओके, सो फर्स्ट अँड फॉरमोस्ट function name is parse int. Okay, this function is used to parse a string. Now first function name is parse int. See, I'm talking about this parse int. Please check how to write exact word, because these are reserved words, these are keywords. You need to implement exactly into your code, otherwise it will show error. Okay, because it's a, you know everyone, because it's a very case sensitive type of language, so you need to write properly. I should be parse int, in that I character should be capital. Okay, it is used to parse a string and convert it into a number. Okay, fine, natural number, integer, and parse means convert, right? Parse a string and convert into a number, right? For example, parse int, बघा इथे दिसते तुम्हाला, पेज दाखवतो मी तुम्हाला. Example, parse int of mh100. It's not an actual number, it's mh is these are alphanumeric characters, so it will shows you nan. It's not a number, so not a number. Nan stands for not a number. Please note it down. Long form, not a number. Please note it down. Done? Yes. Okay. Fine. So let's move to the another example. Parse int of 100. But तुम्ही मला say it is a 100, it is a 100. What is the difference in that? What's the difference? Difference is, see, whatever you enter in double quotes or single quote, which is treated as what? Which is treated as a, please give me reply. जे काही तुम्ही टाइप कराल डबल कोट्स मध्ये, सिंगल कोट्स मध्ये, आपल्याला टाइप झालेले आहेत व्हेरियस टाइप्स. व्हॅल्यू दिस इज करेक्ट, राइट? बट वॉट यू put inside double quotes or single quote, then this is a which type of data type. Say in JavaScript, the way you write, the way you put value, which is nothing but data type, right? Without double quotes, if I write 100, then it's a number, but with double quotes or with single quotes, then it's different. Can anyone knows about it? My dear student, data types concept. Yes, Girisha, absolutely right. whatever you write inside double quotes or in single quote, which is treated as a string type, string data type. This is a string type, and this one is what? Numeric type, number type. Okay, when it become number, when we use parse int. See this statement, त्या स्टेटमेंट मध्ये मी टाकलं parse int of, काय पुट केलंय मी, हे असं टाईप केलं असेल तर मला ऍक्च्युअल नंबर काय मिळेल. ओके, if I write parse int of 100 mh, then it shows only 100. accurate तुम्हाला काय मिळेल, तुम्हाला एक्झॅक्ट तो सेपरेट करून देईल. राईट, so this is the purpose of parse int function. Yes, now next function name, parse float, which is just similar to the parse int. This function is used to parse a string and convert it into floating point representation. Now what do you mean by floating point? Floating point means decimal places. Okay, example, parse float of mh100 non, parse float of 100.00, it shows 100, and parse float 100.2, it shows 100.2 exactly. Okay, this is a single line command, and this is called as what? Multi-line command in JavaScript. Are you getting my point? लक्षात येतं सगळ्यांच्या? ओके, नाव हाऊ टू यूज इट. बघा आता मला इथे यूज करायचं आहे, मी वरती ए डिक्लेअर केलेला आहे, मला आता ए डिक्लेअर केला, मला वापरायचं आहे ए इज इक्वल टू parse int ऑफ दिस. अँड इफ आय राईट, आउटपुट शिवाय तुम्हाला शो होणार आहे का ते नाही असणार. मग आउटपुट स्टेटमेंट पाहिजेच, म्हणजे ही स्टेटमेंट, ह्या स्टेटमेंटला मी ॲज इट इज कॉपी करतो आणि इथे काय करतोय, पेस्ट करतो. ओके, सेव्ह, अँड इफ आय एक्झिक्यूट ऑन दॅट ब्राउझर देन डिस्प्लेज NAN. बघा रिफ्रेश करतो पेज मी, why shows error, I don't know. So page number 13, sorry, line number 13, what happened with this line number? I think line number 13 is this. See, LN13 status bar दिसतो का सगळ्यांना? LN13, प्लीज चेक माय कर्सर. मी कर्सर जिथे मूव्ह करतोय ते फक्त चेक करायचं तुम्हाला. LN13, COL7, COL म्हणजेच कॉलम. So line number 3 is correct. Okay, see my this double quotes or single quotes are different because I directly copy from my text, right, textbook. See, if I execute on browser, then displays NAN. See, now you're getting properly how it is case sensitive. किती case sensitive part समजले तुम्हाला? एक जरी त्यामध्ये मिस्टेक असली, it will not show any type of output to the user. Okay, ते आधी रेक्टिफाय करा आणि मग काय करा, पुढे प्रोसीड करा. माशाअल्लाह, एवढी केस सेन्सिटिव्ह लँग्वेज आहे आणि तशी लाईट वेट सुद्धा स्क्रिप्टिंग लँग्वेज आहे. दिस इज व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. नाव पार्स int वर्क झालं आपलं प्रॉपरली. आता 100 बघूया. इफ आय रिमूव्ह दिस अँड सिम्पली पुट सिंगल कोट्स अँड इफ आय एक्झिक्यूट ऑन ब्राउझर and display output like 100. Okay, see, if I multiply it with 2, then display 200. See, if I refresh it, then display 200. Okay, so calculation is possible in JavaScript, right, because it's a dynamic. Now next point is what? Parse float. So simply put parse float inside float. Okay, 100 point, or simply put 34.5. Okay, if I put A and display exact behavior. Where is the output? Yes, if I refresh it, see 34.5. Okay, alert. This function displays alert pop-up box with OK button. This is also called as a message box. Example, कुठले एक्झाम्पल आहे तिथे, मी ते हा जो पार्ट आहे इथेच दाखवतो मी तुम्हाला लगेच. इथे इन्स्टेड ऑफ दिस मी तिथं काय करतो, अलर्टमध्ये टाकतो ALERT. हाऊ टू यूज सी दिस इज द फंक्शन. Why it's called as a function? The main thing is, I forgot to explain you main thing, that is a function. How to identify function? Rounded bracket दिसेल का तुम्हाला word नंतर? See, rounded bracket means what? There is a function. Okay, लक्षात ठेवायचं function. Now alert, and त्या alert या wordच्या एंडला तुम्हाला दोन ओपनिंग अँड closing rounded brackets आहेत, right, and semicolon देतोय मी. So this is called as built-in function. Okay, it's also called as a called function, right. Called केले आपण फक्त याला आणि आपण काय करतोय, याला पास करतोय व्हेरिएबल a. See, if I execute on browser, then display what? Display exactly such type of output to the user. See, pop-up message. See, this is a pop-up message. Instead of display any type of text on or interpret any type of message on browser, instead of interpreting, displays particular message into the message box. And now everyone knows about favorite statement, that is a happy coding. Geometry mark, save. If I save this, let me space, let me give space, and if I execute on browser, then display 34.5 happy coding. If I click on OK, then displays exact page. Now one more interesting prompt function. Okay, are you ready? This function is used when you want input value from user at the time of program execution. It displays OK and cancel buttons. OK button returns input value, cancel button returns null value. It accept input from user, nothing else. Now example, var n is a variable, and to declare variable we use var keyword. Okay, now n, now this is a declaration, variable declaration. Now this is what? See, this is variable declaration, and this one is variable assign. Assign value to that variable is equal to prompt, right? So n is equal to prompt, in bracket enter value for n, right? Enter value for what? N, which is entered by user. This value entered by what? From user. So I'm going to add in same program. Let me use multi-line comment up to this line, asterisk, then forward slash. Only this is a one line which I want to use, okay, in that program, because very important line. Okay, without variable we cannot store any type of value in that. Okay, so the variable is very important. So now a is equal to, if I write prompt prompt and in that you can put any statement in that. I'm going to add enter your name, right? Enter your name. Fine. And if I save this file and execute on browser and display output to the user, see, it will see, this is a dialog box, and in that dialog box displays enter your name, script prompt, explore user prompt, and enter your name. See, I'm going to enter name. Okay, why not displays this type of line? Anybody can tell me? I'm accepting value from user but not displays on output, or not, which is not displays on browser. What happened? Simply because there is no any output statement. If I use output statement, it displays output to the user. Yes or no? Please give me reply. Okay, see, I'm going to put one statement, that is a document dot write, or simply use alert statement, alert for output. Okay, and press or pass welcome. Okay, welcome string. This is a string and this is a variable. See, welcome string. Okay, if I save this file, okay, if I execute on browser, now this time I am going to enter, refresh it, and I am going to enter any text like Amit, AMIT. Okay, if I click on OK, then display welcome Amit, okay, to the user, greet to the user with help of such type of code. Okay, see, simply I put one string, and then this is a variable which is because this is possible because there is a prompt function, and prompt function is used to accept value from user. Okay, you can use your any alphanumeric characters, you can use numbers also. Okay, if you want to calculate any area of circle, area of rectangle, at that time you can use values from user. Okay, okay, so this is about parse int, parse float, alert and prompt. So these all are built-in functions in JavaScript. Remaining functions we definitely discuss into next lecture. Okay, take care, bye bye and happy coding.